Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually super excited for the next few videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. As you guys know, I recently got some new product from Inloveartshop, and I actually thought about my projects and I pre-cut everything just so that my videos can go a lot smoother, because I kind of hate like just being on the video and then just not knowing what I'm doing. So I kind of pre-planned, and I think it'll just be so much funner this way, because then I actually get to just decorate, so which is what I love to do, just craft and decorate and enjoy myself. So I'm really excited. So I think I'm gonna divide this probably into 3 projects. So that's gonna be 3 videos, and then I also have some happy mail to share with you guys. So hopefully you'll be getting 4 videos in the next few days. I'll try to edit them and get them up as soon as I can. I've been slacking a little bit, but again, I apologize for that. So anyways, super excited. The first project that we are going to be making is a graduation card. I know school is over, but as you guys know, one of the die cuts that I got was the Congratulations on Graduation metal dies. And these are again from Inloveartshop. I'll leave them linked down below in case you guys are interested and you guys like what you see, and then you can go ahead and purchase them. I also have a discount code that I will leave down below as well. So these are going to come in handy for next year, because my daughter's going to be graduating high school, my nephew's going to be graduating high school as well, they're both seniors, and then my niece is going to be graduating 8th grade, so I can make them all graduation cards. But in the meantime, we're going to practice. And these were actually a lot of fun to make. Let me show you guys, because I know that I've gotten a lot of new subscribers in the last few days. We are literally almost at 10K, and I still have no idea what I'm going to do for my giveaway. I'm still planning and thinking, so as always, I'm behind, but that's just life. So this is my Sizzix machine, so in case you're new to the planning and crafting community, welcome. We hope that you decide to join our little crafting habits. But I love using the Sizzix machine. So I always get these metal dies that you can cut out into certain little decorations, and you can use them mostly. A lot of people use them to make cards and lots of fun projects. So this is the graduation cap, and once you cut it with the Sizzix machine, this is what it looks like. So it's really cute. So my Sizzix machine, I always get asked, where do you get your Sizzix? I got mine at Michael's, just because during that time Michael's offered a lot of really great coupons. Right now they kind of cut down on the coupons, and they also cut down on the way they used to sell their products on sale. So like, for example, the paper pads, they used to be Hot Buys for $5.99. Now they're like buy one for $20 and get 2 free, or 1 free, whatever the case is. I haven't shopped there in such a long time, but this is the Sizzix die cutting machine, which is what you're going to need to cut these metal dies. And I know AliExpress has some. I'm not sure what the quality is like there. They're probably a little bit cheaper. Inlovearts actually does have their own little die cutting machine. You can check them out. I've never tried it, so I'm not sure what the quality is like either. But I love my Sizzix. It is my favorite little machine, and I always knew I wanted one. I've been fascinated with die cutting ever since I came across it. And this one was fairly expensive, somewhere around the $140 range, but because I had my coupons, I spent a lot less. And so yeah, I got mine at Michael's, but I think you could get it at scrapbook.com, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, whatever craft store website. And they're always coming out with new ones. I'm not sure if they still have this blue and gray one, but I know the new one, I think, is like a white one. So definitely just go check it out. Search die cutting machine, and I'm pretty sure you'll find something. But anyways, so we're gonna make a card today, and I'm gonna show you guys the little supplies that I have here. First, I'm gonna start with a blank card. These you can purchase at Michael's. This is just a blank white card. You can purchase them in different sizes at Michael's, and they come in packs, which I think is definitely worth the buy if you guys like to die cut, because then you can make your own cards. You don't have to go out and buy one and purchase one, because God knows the prices have gone up for cards, and you could just make your own and have fun and personalize it and customize it, and it'll just come out so much better, and you'll really enjoy it once you give it to somebody. I feel like the satisfaction is really satisfying. So I have a blank card. We're going to use this as our canvas, and then I have a background paper which I'm going to use, and I'm going to cut down. I didn't get my other tools to cut, which I should have, but I'm going to use this. I'm going to layer my card. I cut out a few toppers just in case. I'm doing a blue and yellow theme, but next year, of course, I'm going to customize it to the school of my daughter. I think hers is like gray and purple. My nephew's is red and white, and I'm not sure what my niece's colors are, but I cut out these. So that's this one right here. These are probably from AliExpress or Inloveartshop. I'm not really sure where they're from exactly. And then I have these number dies. You guys, I absolutely love this. So I cut out the 2022, and then of course the cap and the little diploma and the congratulations, using the Inlovearts metal dies. I also have some enamel dots just in case, and then some washi tape. This washi tape I got at Michael's years ago. When I say years ago, I mean years ago, and I still have some, so I can't use the one that say 2018 anymore, because we're obviously not in 2018. That's pretty much when I purchased it. I think my daughter was graduating from grammar school then. And so, but I could use the star, I could use the cap and gown. There's still a whole bunch of in here that I can use, so I may use some of those. I'm going to see what size I'm going to need this. So the way I do this, you guys, very easy. Don't make life hard. Just do what you can. I just layer it. I leave a little bit of a white border, because then you can't really tell that you messed up. A little trick. So I just go ahead, lay that. Go ahead and mark my lines, put that down. Again, leave a little white spacing, and we're going to trim it. There we go. So now that we trimmed the width, we're going to trim off the height. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take this. Again, leave a little bit of white space. It's probably even, it's probably not, but again, you're not really going to be able to tell because of that white space that you have there. I can always align this. It looks perfect. Right? So we are good to go on that front. Let's go ahead and adhere this. Now you definitely want to adhere the edges really good. Everyone always asks me where I get my ATG glider from, or what this machine even is. This is actually adhesive, and it's called an ATG glider. It's an advanced tape glider, and it's the coolest thing ever. And I love it. But when you run out of tape, then that's the sad part, because then you have no tape. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that on there, and look at that. Right? Super cool. Alright, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down my numbers. Oh, actually, lies. We're going to go ahead and add some washi tape. I'm going to put the stars. Or should we add a little bit of black and gold? You know what? Let's add some black and gold. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of black and gold at the top. And then we'll do the stars at the very bottom. So where's my washi card? So I'm just going to take this, line it up. Oh, darn it. Saved it. Looks alright. Okay, so then I think I'm going to go ahead and do the star one at the bottom. Just like so. I feel like it just gives it a little extra touch. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now we can go ahead and add our little 2020. So I think I want, or 2021, next year would be 2022. Always lay down your stuff to see where you want it to go, how it's gonna fit. And then let me get a little pop of 3D foam. So I guess I wasn't prepared after all. And then I have my little diploma and then the little congratulations. These little things are so tricky because, oh my gosh. So I'm going to do something like that, right? Super cute. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and adhere my numbers. Now you're going to have to work really carefully with these because you don't want the numbers to break. You don't want them to fold, bend. You want to keep everything as straight as possible. So just go ahead and, you know, kind of take your time. Try not to rush the process. Enjoy the process. There we go. I was also going to cut out like a little star, but I was like, I don't need to because I have my washi tape. So perfect. So then we just need the one. How cool is that? Obsessed. That alone already looks amazing. Now for my little cap and gown, or my little cap, I'm gonna go ahead and use some 3D foam. I'm just gonna cut it into one piece here, one piece here, cut another little piece here, and then hopefully you can't hear my daughter's music. She's taking a shower, but the bathroom's pretty close to me, so I always like to use some kind of a 3D foam just because I feel like it gives it it takes it to a whole other level, and it's just really, really pretty. So we're gonna angle it just like that. Really cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay out my words first. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be such a pain. We're gonna use this glue stick. It dries on clear. It's the purple one by Elmer's. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and add a few right here, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and stick this on just like that. I just have to keep pressing to make sure that I get the glue on everything. Press, 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 press. Sorry if the camera or the table is shaking. There we go. I think that worked out a lot easier, right? So my diploma is going to go somewhere over here in this area. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some of the glue off from the middle and just putting it over here. And I'm just sealing everything down. So cute. I love that. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm obsessed. And it's pretty much done. So the only thing, we're going to decorate it with some enamel dots because we have a little bit of space. These are from Dollar Tree. Put one there. Put one there. And there we have it, you guys. A 2021 graduation card. And then you can write your note in the inside. You could put a picture of the graduate. You can tape some money on there. Whatever you want to do. But there you have it. These usually come with envelopes. So the envelope is somewhere around. But Isn't that adorable? Absolutely love it. And I used my congratulations graduation dies and the number dies. Everything else was paper, washi tape, enamel dots, you name it, you guys. I love it. Obsessed. Really, really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, as always, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell button so that whenever I upload my videos, you guys don't miss out. Don't forget to go check out In Love Arts, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!